Hi there, this is Jenny with Planner Perfect. In today's video, I'm going to show you our March subscription box for planning and journaling. You are not going to want to miss the inspiration behind the box and what you can get when you plan your life using the scripting method. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I have you right here. I made it easy for myself so that I could just get in and show you exactly what this box is about. So if you're new to me and Planner Perfect, I've created a method of planning, whereas you're using the scripting method in order to envision and visualize what you want and script it out in a way that impresses the subconscious mind, because when you write details and you know what you want and you are in a state of feeling and writing and scripting on how you want your life to go, how you want it to feel and how you want it to be, you will achieve success in your life. When also you script more, you are able to know what you don't want. A lot of times when you go off a list, you aren't thinking hard enough or you're taking the work out of what is needed in order to know what you want to make it come into fruition. When you go off of task lists and to-do lists, you virtually are leaving out the part that creates the magic, and that is knowing what you want and visualizing how you want it to be and scripting that kind of life out. So that is where the key is. So this is the monthly journal and subscription box. We do have several others where you can pick just the planner, pick just the journal, or do both. I suggest both just because the journal is part of our journaling where we are scripting long-term visual goals and the manifestations of them. That is in another video. So each month I'm an artist, so I create and paint the covers. And this month's theme is courageous, okay? So they do come, the books, I'm gonna start off with the books actually. And these come with these little cloths, so we protect them with the cloths here, and I did it for ease of getting, so I don't have to try to dig them out. They come in these to protect them. So this month being March is very much so in like a lion and out like a lamb, okay? So, but to be courageous in all that you do, that is the theme. So I created this because it's so symbolic for March and in our lives actually. So I painted the lion and the lamb, and that was the inspiration behind it, and to be completely courageous and every day and every month. But this is what we're going to be kind of focusing on for March together as a community, and that is to be courageous and to really define what you want, know what you want, and to let go and let God. And that is really what we are doing this month together. So if you are new, I'm going to show you a little bit about how the scripting method planners look, but you do get your calendar, and then you will get goals. Some months, depending on where the month starts, you'll get 4 goal sheets. This time it's 2. And then, but here you can see where you can add as a goal page if needed. But this is where the week at a glance begins. So it all depends on how the layout is and really when the first day of the month begins. So here we go, where you get your week at a glance. So it's like really all your appointments and things that you need to draw your eye to, you can place here, which is really perfect. And then begins your day. And this is where you script, and it's a 2-day spread for each day. So this is how this would look. And so you'd get your 7 pages, and then you have your week at a glance again. And then in the end, it is a month in review page, which is really beautiful in going over your month, seeing and writing down and scripting everything that went well. And if it didn't, do some revisement and how you would want it to be, and make sure that you carry that over into your next month, because we're always growing and always changing. So, and this is our plain journal that check the video below on the scripting method or in my videos to see more on that. So next up then, the stickers reflect the, these are painted by me, and some people ask if I do acrylic or watercolor, and I tell them both. So I use acrylic and watercolors, sometimes both at the same time on one art piece. It just depends on how I'm feeling, so, or what I'm inspired to. So we have the lambs making an appearance. We added extra detail here. This is also a sticker, but we added the March kind of shamrock. And just cute little Marchy themes and just springtime and getting ready for that. And here's some more art with our lion, of course, who makes an appearance. So you get 4 sheets, 2 of each, which is so perfect for your month to plan your life and write a better story. And then here are our tip-ins. They come in these little bags here, and let me just open these. And we have the lion. These are called tip-ins. And what these are, they just tip in your planner. I love to write scripture on the back. I like to write added plans on the back. I like to write different things that I might need to add to my day if my pages are full. I like to add what great things has happened for my day to keep my focus on the good. I love to write also what I'm grateful for, and I'll write that on the back. You just tuck this in, or you can add a little bit of washi, stick it in the center of your book, and it's there to flap back and forth, and I can show you that in another video of how to use your tip-ins and all of that. That was one of my plans. But this is actually a mixed media. It's got some different things I used to create this, and she turned out really good. She's been in our store for a while, but I love to bring her back every spring because she's a representative. And so, hello spring, and some lemons. Now, some of these, what we do is that we will put these away. They sell out right away anyways. And then these tip-ins come back next around with an addition of 2 new art prints. So here's some lemons. May your troubles be less and your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come through your door. And of course, out like a lamb, in like a lion, out like a lamb. So I think these turned out really beautiful, and I hope that they inspire you to write a better story. So when I went to pick my washi that I wanted for you girls for this theme, I always go for what I'm inspired by, what colors go with my painting and the theme, and this really just does it. I know I'm not being, but check this out. This is what is so magical. Look at how beautiful and how well it just goes with the theme. It's got a glittery sparkle. We've got a matte green, which I love the contrast. I love contrast. When I paint, I love white and then I love black. That look combo to me will always be in everything that I paint because I just love the contrast. And I think as much as I do love watercolor and the looseness and the freeness of it, I tend to like acrylic more, and even oils, because I can show starker contrast instead of being so soft. It's kind of just my what I prefer, I guess. So, but look at how gorgeous. Shamrocks, leaves for spring, and sparkle with the matte. So it really just all interplays and all goes. That is the March planning and subscription box. If you have not gotten in on this box, then do. This is quite the beauty. I also wanted to announce that beginning in March, we are really beginning a scripting challenge where each day you will script in your planners and in your journals, and you will tag me. I want you to tag me and to show that I want you to try this out and see how it works. You've got to test it. You must test it. And so we're going to take this month to do so. And there will be more written about it in my newsletter. So if you want to sign up for that and know more about it, down below. But whoever does win will win, and I will pick from the hashtag that we're choosing. And so you will know more as March is coming, which is coming really quick, but someone will win a subscription box for 1 month. You get 1 month subscription box, and it's so great. And if you're already a subscriber, you'll get refunded for the month. And if you're chosen and you haven't got it, then you'll get one to be able to try out for yourself, to be able to script your life and map out a life that you love. So hang tight for more information on how you can win one of Planner Perfect's subscription boxes to inspire you to write a better story for your life. Hey, thanks for joining me today. Until next time.